Hello, welcome back to Windwash Art. It's been a while. Life gets in the way sometimes. We're going to do something a little bit fun today. I'm going to use my hair dryer. I'm going to use some lovely sage green. I'm not a fan of this color, but there are some people who like it. So I'll call it lovely. And we're going to spread that out all over. Make sure it covers the canvas. It helps the other paint to flow when you have a base coat. This will probably be an unedited video, so I'll probably just shoot it and upload it because editing takes a while, and well, I don't really have the time these days. Okay, just want to get this all over. Make sure it's all over the sides, covers the sides. You don't really want canvas showing. You want it to be all about the paint, not the canvas. What I should have done is shown you what I have underneath first before I painted it. Oh well, what a ding dong, but I'll explain it to you. Let's push this off here. Let's see. So if we look underneath, I have a Funk and Wagnalls encyclopedia or dictionary actually, with a few folded up trash bin liners, because even though I have lovely big tacks underneath, these are great. The problem is, after a painting like this, the paint will gather in the middle, and what you'll find is on the edges all the paint has sort of gathered there, and you can see the canvas on the ends. So I'm trying to avoid that. It worked for a painting I did recently for a cousin. Just trying to see if I can get this to move. It's not a lot of extra. It's okay. There we go. Here's some that's going to move. Don't want too much extra paint on the canvas. Okay, let's see what I can do with this. Get this all covered here. Take whatever you can from the table. Okay, let's see what we have. Pretty bare over here. Let's turn this around. Those who are of a certain age know who Funk and Wagnalls were. I don't know that they're still in business anymore. Some people don't really use encyclopedias and look up things in dictionaries. Okay, let's see what we have here. As central as I can get over that. You know, some people love sage green. Personally, I think it looks like baby diarrhea. Just gonna throw that out there. Anyway, so let's get to doing the fun stuff. We're going to do, let's see, it's a technique I started to do recently. I'm gonna start in the corner here with a color. Another one next to it. It's a green theme for those who are green lovers. Don't worry about the white that you might see in this green paint. It's just the mixing medium, so it doesn't actually show later on. see here. There we go. Some lovely light green here. Nice and precise, can't you tell? All right, some yellow. Yellow looks good with green. All right, so I think what I'll do is throw a little bit of this dark green here. Mix it up a bit. And let's see, maybe this green over here on the edge. Okay, and let's see, what should we end up on the end here? Oh, maybe this one. Let's just do this. Okay. Let's do that. So I have some metallic silver here, just with some pouring medium. I'm just going to put a couple of strips through it. Kind of adds a little flavor, if you will. And this is just some white, Artist Loft white. Again, just kind of spot it on there. Don't want a bunch of white. But the metallic from the silver should be kind of cool. All right, very good. That's the great thing about paint pouring. It can be messy. That's perfectly fine. Okay, make sure it's all covered there. Should be all right. Okay, I have to blow it out here with this flame, fire. Have some fire, because we need to pop the air bubbles. The sage green that I put down as a base color is simply house paint that I mixed up with water. That's all you need. I think I got it at a tag sale for like $5. A big tin of it. I can't beat that with a stick, right? Okay, let's take out the hairdryer and have some fun blowing some paint here. All right, here we go. Would have been good if I had turned that on earlier. Anyway, let's go. Cool is that? I think that's really neat. Let's add some more fire. Yeah, play with fire here. Still a lot of bubbles. Metallic, I think, should be shining through a little bit more as it dries. That's really cool. I think that looks really neat. Oh, how fun is that? That looks really pretty, and I don't like green. I just thought I'd say that again. For the record, I don't like green, but I think that looks really cool. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Okay, kitty cat. Sorry I walked away. So, okay, sorry, kitty. Sorry to bother you. All right, guys, I wish everybody a great day. Have a great one. Take care.